What is up guys, Reggie here, back again with another video, and thanks for tuning into the channel where we take a closer look at smartphones and cameras. Let's go ahead and pop open this puppy. I got the iPhone 8 Plus, product red. Finally came in, super excited, look at that. Red Apple logo, iPhone. Product red. It says, in partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the global fund to support HIV/AIDS programs and help deliver an AIDS-free generation. Learn more or donate at www.red.org. That's pretty cool. Here is the actual device with a black face. Turn it over. It's like blood red. It's like red. Oh, Jesus. Oh, so satisfying. Just go quickly. Power brick. Earpods. Cable. Look at how that just, the glass back red and all the aluminum, brushed aluminum red on the side. So I got a lot of accessories coming in, like cases, watch bands, all kinds of cool stuff to match with your product red. iPhone 8 Plus. Super psyched to be back on iOS. Missed iOS. This is a good comeback. Man, this is just hot. So let's go ahead and cue that B-roll sequence. Let's go.